August, right? Sorry, it's my neighbor's dog. He's getting me very mad. But it's not coming out. It's not coming out. Why are you not coming out, though, fella? By the way, I'm going to 5th grade, and I hope I pass. I hope I pass.
Hello guys, it's me coming from the comfy couch. I'm here because, well, mommy brought some things that is a surprise to me. I have not looked at them, and let's try them out. Or say let's see them. A double case. It's a double pencil case. So I think that means that it's doubled. I don't understand. This is what she got. As you can see, it says a doubled pencil case.
It's not coming out. It's not coming out. Why are you not coming out, though, fella?
So I just figured out that you're supposed to open it like this. So it's like this. And then it's supposed to open like this. Cool, I like it. Now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use it for. Basically pencils, or say mechanical pencils, because I love mechanical pencils. They're so easy and fun, but they can get wasted on pretty easily. Number 2 is this one. It says good vibes only. I like this. And pencil case again. I would use this for colored pencils and maybe markers. Good vibes only, and that's me. Next one. Third one is this. Okay, we're gonna open this. And by the way, this is from Dollar Tree. All of this is from Dollar Tree. So you better get you some. Okay, so this is what they look like. You could, dang, that took the whole thing with them. So you can take them off, and you can put stuff in them. The desk organizer. I think I could use this for, like, I don't know, fidgets, small fidgets that I can use to put in here. And I can use these small things for bracelets, I guess. I don't know. Next one. This is a notebook. It has a notebook line. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that so adorable?
And I can then write on it and say dream on. I love that song. Dream on, dream on, dream on. And yeah, that's my favorite song. I'm just kidding, Mommy, don't edit all that out. Don't edit. I mean, edit all that out what I just said, okay?
Okay, in my school I'm an emo girl, but here I'm a unicorn girl. Look at the shirt, look at the shirt. Look at this shirt, y'all. Look at it, it's a unicorn. And then look what I just found in the bag. A unicorn pencil holder! Yes! Yes! I love it, I love it, I love it. The next one is this. Marker storage.
I actually like it already. Because people, if people are dumb, they don't know how to open something, they're going to probably steal this, right? They're going to be like, Cindy got some smelly work. It's nice. I could steal a couple from her. Ah! Why can't I open this? Because of Jay. I'm going to call him Jay. He likes to steal stuff because he steals some track tickets. You stole track tickets. Yes, I know you are. I know you are.
Little secret, and I'm not going to share with y'all how to, I'm going to share with y'all how to open. Alright, so it's closed. See these? Flip them up, and voila, it's opened. And so I'm going to use this for markers. Alrighty, this one. It will go with the good vibes only one. So I like this one. Haven't looked at it yet, but oh, okay. It's the same exact thing as the comic hero thing. But yeah, I'll use both of them. No, I'll use this one at home and the other one at school. Cause I don't know what they're gonna have. But yeah. Next one. Words cannot express right now how much I love comics. This is not a comic. It's actually a 2023 to 2024 student planner. And I got the holidays. And you got the dates. August 2023. And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Oh, okay, mommy. I see you. Oh, and got a phone book as well.
I want a phone book. Like I want like the old days and the old phones where they just like you gotta like go to someone's address. I mean, I just phone number and be like, ah, gotcha. And then I'm like, hey, like I like that. I want that.
And they also have, and this is at the end of the book, notes. And okay, so we are gonna be needing this in class, like liquids and weight, length, all that, the whole thing. So thank you. And these are countries. Y'all, that is it for this short. Goodbye.